Every person has been programmed by their childhood experiences, by the world around them, by their failures, by their successes. Those beliefs that we form either work for us or they work against us. My job as a speaker, as a way shower, as a coach, is to help people reshape and reformulate those beliefs so they're working for them. So many of us can get stuck in crappy but comfortable. It's not that bad. It's okay. It's just enough. Instead of moving into fearful but forward, which is where they can start to see success. And reshaping those beliefs can absolutely change the trajectory that you're on. Fear is not the enemy. It is there to help you move forward. Failure's not the enemy. The faster you fail, the faster you get to your successes. The power is feeling the fear and doing it anyway. All of us are a collaboration. We're all forged by our experiences. So learning how to retrain your brain and think and get those beliefs to work for you in a different way, that is what I am here to do, to shake you up and get you moving towards your life's path so you can accomplish whatever it is you want to accomplish with your life. It's probably worth noting I am not your traditional speaker. You won't find me behind a podium. My sessions are high energy and heart-centered. I want to get your audience inspired and motivated. I want to wake them up to their own potential and get them moving forward on their life's path. Whoever your audience is, conference attendees, your sales force, your company party, whatever vision they have for their life, I want to challenge them to think bigger. I want them to move forward with purpose in a powerful and meaningful way after attending one of our sessions. I want to give them the tools, the resources, and the roadmap to get there. I'm Cyndi Williams, speaker, coach, and CEO, and it's my life's purpose to teach people how to follow their bliss into abundance.